Imagine opening your phone and someone is already waiting for you. Someone who remembers your favorite movie, knows when you're feeling sad, compliments you, listens without judging. But she isn't real. She's artificial intelligence. Welcome to the world of AI girlfriends. Over the last few years, artificial intelligence has evolved from answering questions to creating conversations that feel incredibly human. Today, millions of people around the world are chatting with AI companions, often called AI girlfriends. But what exactly are they? And why are so many people using them? Let's find out. An AI girlfriend is a virtual companion powered by advanced artificial intelligence. Instead of having real emotions, she uses powerful language models to generate natural conversations. She can chat with you, remember previous conversations, tell jokes, write poems, role play, offer encouragement. Sometimes, she can even speak with a realistic voice or appear as an animated character. Think of her as a highly advanced chatbot designed to simulate companionship. Here's what happens behind the scenes. When you send a message, it travels to an AI model running on powerful servers. The AI analyzes your words, predicts the most natural response, and replies in just seconds. Some AI companions also remember your preferences, your hobbies, your favorite topics, and even your communication style. The more you interact, the more personalized the experience becomes. People use AI companions for many different reasons. Some simply want someone to talk to. Some practice conversations in another language. Others enjoy storytelling, gaming, or creative role play. Some people appreciate having a virtual companion that is available at any time of the day. The reasons vary from person to person. Like many technologies, AI companions have both advantages and limitations. On the positive side, they're always available, patient, personalized, and can inspire creativity or enjoyable conversations. But it's important to remember, they don't have real feelings. They don't truly understand emotions the way humans do. And spending too much time relying only on virtual relationships can reduce real-world social interactions for some people. Balance is important. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, digital companions will become even more realistic. Future AI may understand emotions more accurately, speak naturally, appear in augmented reality, or even interact through humanoid robots. The technology is advancing rapidly, raising exciting possibilities, along with important ethical questions. AI girlfriends represent one of the most fascinating intersections between technology and human connection. They are powerful conversational tools, but they are not a replacement for genuine human relationships. As AI becomes a bigger part of our lives, understanding how it works helps us use it wisely. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more about the future of artificial intelligence.